So today, I'm gonna show you the quick fix approach on how to make a delicious peach cobbler. So what makes this a quick fix, get it? Tia Mowry's quick fix, hi! I'm gonna be using an electric pressure cooker by Mowry. So we're gonna make this whole dessert start to finish in only 30 minutes! One thing that I love about this model is it has tons of settings. So to begin, we're gonna use the saute setting. Ah, these peaches smell so good. I love the smell of just fresh everything. Oh, hi, how are you? It's telling me that it's ready. So let's get this party started, yeah. So what I'm gonna do first is I am gonna add some butter to my pot. Ah, I love a good sizzle. It's like, just a good sizzle just makes me so happy. So I'm just gonna let this melt down for a bit. Now I'm gonna add my peaches. To my peaches, I'm gonna add some sugar. Make it nice and sweet, like me. Some nutmeg. Ginger. The ginger is gonna give it a nice kind of spicy kick, and cinnamon. Cinnamon goes well with peaches. So I'm just gonna give this a nice stir. Just kind of make sure that the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the ginger is incorporated nicely with these beautiful peaches. It's getting ooey and gooey, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 I got peaches in my tummy. While I'm sauteing my peaches, I'm gonna move on to my toppings. So first I'm gonna add some vanilla cake mix, and here's another quick fix tip. This is just store-bought, and I'm using vanilla. Now I'm gonna add some butter. So the butter that I have here is actually frozen butter, and what I've done is I've just shredded my butter, and that's why it looks like this. I'm using frozen butter instead of regular room temperature butter because I'm trying to create some pockets of butter. Pockets of butter. Who doesn't love pockets of butter? This is gonna help make the topping nice and flaky. Gonna add my butter, and I wanna create a nice crumble. So I'm just gonna use my hands, just kind of work it in there. I'm trying to work fast because my butter will melt, because you know, my hands are nice and warm. Warm heart, warm everything. This looks fantastic. So I'm gonna add some oats, giving the topping a little bit of texture. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Give it a stir. Ah, this looks great. And then I'm just gonna add my topping to the pot. Oh, this smells so good. There we go. I'm just gonna spread the topping around. I want the topping to kind of seep into this peach mixture. And I also want the peaches to just kind of come out a little bit, just like this. Put the top on. And what's so great is you're throwing all of your ingredients in just one pot. So there's less mess, less cleanup. Now I'm gonna seal it. There we go. So I'm gonna reset it and hit the cancel button to get it off the saute setting. Now I'm gonna hit the cake setting. You'll see it set for 10 minutes. But you know when the cooking process has begun when you see 10 minutes pop up and you start to see a countdown. All right, so the electric pressure cooker is telling me that it's ready. Just gonna take it off. Oh, look at that. This looks beautiful. So let's serve it up in a bowl. Look at this, you can see the peaches. This looks amazing. And what's even more amazing is that all of this was done in under 30 minutes. I mean, come on, you can't serve peach cobbler without some ice cream. Let's add some ice cream to this. Woohoo-wee! Can you tell I'm like having so much fun? This was a quick and delicious peach cobbler. I hope you guys try it out. And make sure you follow Tia Mowry's Quick Fix, and I'll see you next week. Bye.